guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley. I go by Ash or Ashley or Ginger or Gingy. I am a natural redhead, so Ginger fits. Anyways, hi. Or if you're new here, hey, how you doing? I am very awkward on camera, so if you click away, I understand. But today's video, as you can see from the title and probably thumbnail, I'm thinking ahead into the future. I am doing something about my hair. I've been blonde for about 2-ish months now. I went blonde like as soon as I got quarantined, so yeah, it's been about 2 months. This is what I'm working with. It's my hair. I do have regrowth, which I don't have any more bleach, so I'm not bleaching my hair. And if the lighting is awkward in this section, it's only because I'm using my ring light, because I started late in the day and I don't feel like setting up all my lights. Do I know exactly what I'm doing with my hair? No. Have I been debating it for like a month now? Yes. I do have some dyes. I have Arctic Fox and one from Good Dye Young, I think that's what it's called. The Hayley Williams color line. Found at Sephora, not sponsored, obviously. So just going over what I have. Oh, this is the Good Dye Young one. I have it in the pink shade. Why does this not say what it is? Well, that kind of sucks. It's the pink one. Okay. Don't know if I'm going to use that one. Then I have Electric Paradise by Arctic Fox. Also, I have Ritual, Blue Jean Baby, and Poseidon. Jeff thinks I should go purple. Mix a couple of these and get a purple. I kind of want to go blue and pink split dye. So if you're interested to see what I do with my hair, because honestly, I don't even know what I'm going to do with my hair, what I'm going to do with these products, you're in the right place. Just keep on watching and see. Okay, to start, I'm setting out my Arctic Fox bowls. I have their brushes and their dyes. I got it all at Ulta because it's available at Ulta now, and that is amazing. And I'm starting by putting some conditioner in both bowls. In the blue bowl, I'm putting Poseidon, and in the pink bowl, I'm putting Electric Paradise. So I just mix them up, adding a little bit more conditioner as needed. I felt like the blue needed a lot more conditioner. I was trying to get it a little bit lighter. Wasn't going too much light with the conditioner, so I put in some Blue Jean Baby just to make it a little less bright and a little deeper. And I like the result of adding that to that. I think it looked pretty cool. I do test out the colors I made on paper towels just to see what they would look like next to each other. Wasn't going well. I didn't like the first one I did, so I'm adding more conditioner in to the dyes, starting with the blue, mixing it in, and then I decided to add Ritual into the pink dye because, again, I wanted a little bit dusty, like deeper. I didn't want it like super bright. And more conditioner and mixing that up. I used 2 different conditioners and I don't think that was a good idea, but it got the job done. I put in a little bit more Blue Jean Baby, and that was my end result. Those are the 2 colors I was gonna do. So I'm starting by brushing my hair out, and I tried to split my hair a little bit more evenly, but I decided to just leave it at the part that I had. I clip one side up, adjust as needed. I put on some gloves, and I am ready for the pink dye. So I have no real skill when it comes to dyeing my hair. I just do what I can, whatever comes naturally to me, which isn't talent, but I make do. So I just take I try to start by taking smaller sections and fully saturating each end. I don't take the dye onto my roots because my natural color is a little bit darker than the colors I'm using, so it wouldn't pick up too much on that. And I just continue to brush. I try to get the back as best as I can. I use a mirror to try and see what I'm doing. I didn't have the best mirrors for this. I should have done this not in the bedroom, but you know, it is what it is. It got the job done. And I'm just continuing to brush the dye through my hair. I use my fingers to help comb it through, and I make sure that there's no more blonde peeking through. I clip it up and I switch to the blue. I only had one pair of gloves, so I quickly just wiped them off and went in with the blue. The blue side I did a little bit differently, with even less skill, I guess you could say. So just sort of plop it along my middle part and go in along the back side. Again, mirrors were not the best for this process, but it is what it is. One thing I will say about the blue, which is something I was afraid of it doing, was I did have a lot of yellow still in my hair regardless of how much toning I did. So I was afraid that the blue would turn green, and I don't think it went too bad. But again, I just comb it through with my fingers, add more product as needed, making sure that there is no more blonde peeking through. And I pinned that up with my hair clip, and I set my timer. It was supposed to be for 45 minutes, not 46 minutes, but you get the idea. I actually left it on for about an hour. And a shot of the back, because why not? But yeah, and here is the finished hair. Alright guys, so this is how my hair came out. I am filming this like 2 days after I dyed it because I didn't like it right after I got out of the shower. I was like, oh my god, I miss my blonde. I want to go back to blonde. I styled it with my waver, and I think I like it. I think I like the pink side more than the blue, but yeah, I'll keep this for a little bit. I might go back to blonde before I have to go back to work, which I don't even know when I have to go back to work, but this is it. I'm filming this before I edit anything, but the hair dyeing portion, I hope the voiceover was okay. If you have any questions, let me know down below. I have used Arctic Fox before, and it does last okay in my hair. It's pretty much the same with all the other hair dye brands that I've tried, but yeah. So I'm just gonna keep it short and sweet and just end the video now, because why not? It's late when I'm filming this and my fiance wants to go to bed. But yeah, let me know down below what you guys think of it. If I should go back to blonde, if I should do all pink, if I should do all blue, if I should do purple. You know, let me know. I think that's about it. Anything I mentioned is linked down below along with my socials. You can follow me there if you like to keep updated with me when I'm not on YouTube or TikTok. I'm on TikTok a lot. I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this, and I will catch you guys all in my next video, which may or may not be a haul video, because I bought a bunch of makeup. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys all later. Bye!